Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share some quick and easy tips on how to keep your Windows PC running like a pro. Let's dive right in. First off, always update your Windows regularly. Head to Start, type in Update, and choose Check for Updates to check for the latest updates. This ensures you have the latest security patches and performance enhancements. Next, install reliable antivirus software. Programs like Norton 360, McAfee Total Protection, and Bitdefender Antivirus Plus are top picks for 2025. If you have an IT provider managing your machines, this should already be taken care of. Keep your antivirus updated and run regular scans to fend off malware and viruses. Cleaning up disk space is crucial. Use the built-in disk cleanup tool. Click on Start, type in Disk, and choose Disk Cleanup Tool. This helps reclaim space and speeds up your system. Uninstall programs you don't use. Go to Control Panel and remove any unnecessary applications. This frees up resources and boosts performance. Managing startup programs is a game changer. Click Start and type in Startup Now. Click Startup Apps and disable programs you don't need to start automatically. This will significantly speed up your boot time. For those with older hard drives, defragmentation helps. Click on Start, type in Defrag, and choose Defragment and Optimize Drives and follow the prompts. This organizes files for better access efficiency. Backup your data regularly. Use external drives or cloud storage solutions to prevent data loss. This is crucial to safeguard against hardware failures or accidental deletions. Physically clean your computer to prevent dust buildup. Use a soft cloth and compressed air to clean your computer's exterior and vents. This prevents overheating and hardware issues. Keep your drivers up to date for optimal performance. Go to Start, type in Update and choose the option to check for updates and follow the instructions. Lastly, monitor your system's performance with Task Manager. Open Task Manager by right-clicking on Start bar and choose Task Manager to check real-time data on CPU, memory, disk, and network usage. This helps you identify and solve any issues. By following these maintenance steps, you can keep your Windows machine running smoothly and efficiently. Make these practices a routine and enjoy a hassle-free computing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. If you have an IT services provider managing your machines already, check with them, as all of this may already be taken care of.